This is Jamaica Good Life. This is Blacker. This is Randy. Yes, what I say. We grew up together. This is my family. He's not a cameraman imposter. We help the community. We kind of firm like Rasta. So you also know. Link up with Blacker. Link up with me. We don't get to know food when the food ready.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, man, we have it, man.
Up and running. Yeah. People. See it there? Boom. Yes, Master Vincent. Lord, sir. You know me have to come look for you.
I can't see.
You can't see good?
You cataract in this. Glaucoma in this. Can't see, man.
Turn on the radio for me, please. You know, sir, when I come here to check Master Vincent. So did a woman contact you about the asthma pump?
Huh?
Did a woman contact you about the asthma pump?
No, sir. Yeah. Oh, did you tell me that drive for you, man?
Yeah.
Tell me saying get a whole heap of message to me. And me give me phone number. And I know me not seeing back to come tell me where the lady say. I chose for me a line phone, you know.
Okay.
Me know the other phone so I can't hear her she.
So you have a number?
Yeah, my phone number, man.
What is your phone number?
82. You ready?
Yeah, man.
828 9936.
828 9936.
Yes, sir.
828 9936. So if people send you support, you can get it from Western Union?
Yeah, man.
Say it again.
828 9936.
All right, people, see there? This is what and you still have your farm.
Yeah, man. Because I go a bush again.
You know go bush?
I can't go a bush again, so I can't see.
You can't see?
Roger, if you look at me going over this, so one over this up.
Yes, man.
Yeah, me if you dig next month. Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
How old are you now?
82, you know.
Oh, Master Vincent, Anna, sir, Anna, love, you are the foundation, you know, the whole thing.
We are coming fully 82.
Oh, blessed you.
Can't go a bush.
Can't go bush.
Can't see.
So you need the people them support.
Yeah, man.
Give them your number again.
828 9936.
All right, sir.
Come here, tell you, so the asthma, they probably body now.
Yeah, you need an asthma pump.
Yeah, man. You have to live at doctor. God bless Roger when you show up this one.
Roger take care of you.
Oh, God, I had man. I make me eat now, you know.
Eh?
I have to look at a piece of wood, come give me for me all the gas stove in and I can't see feel like it.
Oh, Lord.
When time is, Lord God, my last name is Scout. My daughter run come here and he gone back. I show him my work on my gully. Run down a one bar.
If people send you support, send your daughter feet.
Which part that go come?
It would have come Western Union, but me don't want you to go. Because they might go see you on the video. Okay. So me don't want you going on the line.
Yes, no, me can't go down the line.
You can't even see. Good.
If you been a come on a hard watch, no.
Yeah, just put it in your daughter. Make your daughter get it for you.
If you could have get it to her watch post office.
Yeah.
Me can't go there for her.
So make the people them call you.
Yeah.
And you talk to them.
Yeah.
And pass them on to your daughter information.
Yes, sir.
So she take care of you.
But when me hear you know, sir, when I come out tell me, say, well, lady, me fit keep the phone for me. For our lady, want to get in touch with me.
Yeah.
And funny tell me so my mind run for you.
For me? Yeah, man, I'm here working, you know.
And I say, the youth have a whole heap of call in the phone for me, man.
Eh.
And funny come and tap out with the truck, that's why I see you. And he said, Vincent, me I get a hold of a call for you, you know. And he take my number. And I know,
You know, yeah.
I don't see him for me understand, say, me a suffer, man, me a suffer.
Well, here, well, now the world have your number.
Yeah, man.
Then we call you directly. I walk around and I get people number and I give it
I
out.
couldn't get it for my girl, you know, mine, I'm supposed to have my phone.
Your daughter phone?
Yeah, man.
Who number? Your daughter number?
Your number.
Yeah.
You don't know if you can find it on my phone.
No, but you find it. Them I go call you directly and talk to you. If my program allow people to talk to people directly, and now that me give out your number to the world, them going to call you directly. They're not even going to call me. So whoever wants to support you will call you.
Yeah, man.
Okay?
Not glad for that.
So now the world, I will call you, make sure your phone charge up on thing.
Yeah, man.
The world is going to take care of you.
And
Okay.
you sleep right on my bedside.
Yeah. Keep it charged.
Yeah, man.
So it's out of my hands to the world. Because you're 82, the site is going, this is where you live,
He gone, man. He gone.
and you can make Raja bring them to your farm. What do you have on your farm?
Yeah, yam, man. I mean, yam over here, so.
Your yam ripe? Ready?
No.
So maybe we should give them Raja number.
And they call Roger.
Let Raja manage you.
But Sir Roger, him now, him carry phone with him. And that
Okay.
is only somebody could have.
You have Raja number?
No, sir. For him, in a trouble with the phone.
Okay, so we're going to make them call you. And then you can give them Raja information and him can take care of you. Because he's here. Since he's already taking care of you.
Yeah, man.
So let Raja be the person to take care of you, okay?
If
So
he
when the people them call you, just give them Raja number.
up to me that and name should have give me what me for give you.
I have your daughter name and I talk to her, but I couldn't get your number.
Him you feel get in touch with.
Yeah,
Him will take care of everything.
he will take care of everything.
Yeah, man. But when you hear me tell saying take care of me and take care of me.
Your daughter take care of you.
Yeah, man.
So fear, I need to get out fear number.
Yeah, man.
Okay,
Give him for your number and she will get everything
and take care of you.
and take care of me.
All right, so. Well, I've been, Corona kept me away from the mission.
You get you?
No, it kept me away
Oh, yeah, man.
from the mission.
Breadfruit come give me. One for me and one for someone over there, so. Half me one, we cook and one I cook half of it yesterday. For me dinner. And cook the other half like over here.
Mm-hmm.
Night and all. Bad man. Bad. Right now I'm lose to go over here, so now we do that was. And it's supposed to dig on next month to October.
Let's take a, so you man, I hope people reach out to you, you know?
Yeah, man, when I get put everything on me that hand.
Mm-hmm.
Everything in the hand. And we can go pound down again.
Mm-hmm.
And she will take care of me.
Mm-hmm. How old was your brother?
I'm 70.
Mm-hmm.
And this same as man, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And they kill him.
Yeah,
What for you, you know?
that's the problem.
Oh, but they can't get it.
Then she said they can't tap me. Then jealous, you see? When me say jealous, man, Vincent, me say jealous, you know?
They can't, man.
Look how long you see me I walk around and do this. I'm supposed to build a mission house. But me just buy the car. And we did a try for now. Bring the kids them go school. And then me hear this foolishness them start. I remember Corona. So you can't really do something if the world stop. And that's when they start the gossip. They don't have no damn patience. Grapefruit there? Me still look like a grapefruit there. No, me still look like you have a grapefruit on the tree.
That's orange tree down there.
I saw orange, I'll pick one.
Yeah, man.
What the roaster name? Jack. So open on a sink pit. Oi, the one you look rough, sir. You sure say this not gonna sink in the earth? I know quicksand around here, so. Wow, look on them plants, man. Wow. People around is going into the water grass. You want to get another down here? No snake. Just for one orange, what Randy won't do. For one orange. Yes, people, you know, so we love it. We love the good life. Alright, you see, that's orange, they look big still. Alright. See it there? You know, I see it. Hey, Mas Vincent. The green one, them can make juice too? Okay. What? People. You know, say enough sorry orange. You know, say enough drinks I gonna make now. You see? Let me tell you about Jamaica, eh? Eh? You think we're not getting nothing off foreign for free? Eh? You people? We now get a free bag on the tree too. Big up to Jatori. One call Mark and Babes. Kevin. And the on it again. See the mark of them on it. Alright. Dirty boy Randy. Craving this. Okay. Come here. Yeah. There's the outside toilet. That's the cool thing about going to bush. Can pick some orange. We're in the trees. We're going tired to see me face. They can't get me out of the place. They can't even tie me shoes lace. They say they can't get me out of the place. What a disgrace. Them a try to ruin my name. Enough of them jealous. I try to get some fame. Them a got tired to see me face. Because they can't get me out of the race. Some of them are no toothpaste. And some of them are no. So, you see why the people them jealous of me? Because they see me a really good life. See, big up yourself. Leone, Leah, you say polite, big up yourself. You might go tired to see me face. Listen, man. Yeah, man. You still watch yourself. I'll get me a bag now. If we live good with people, people will live good with don't know. See that? If we don't live good with people, people will live good with don't know. Someone else Vincent there, see? Gonna take care of him for me. Alright. Man is 82. And when you guys come to Jamaica, come visit him. Go to his farm. And Roger will get some yams for you. My brother, you're gonna see me more often.
Yes, sir.
You know, thanks for the bag.
I two people now see them like, you know.
Them big, you know?
Yeah, man, if people may see them then come here a long time come act sorry.
Cause I don't want to throw them little. Them one are big.
Yeah, man.
Brother, I'm gonna be wrong. Listen up.
Yes, sir.
You see? You know me, I gonna be around.
Yes, yeah.
You know, I'm gonna let you out. I'm gonna set it up for you. Alright? Everything is everything. Take your time. Drink a lot of water.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Happy nice, happy nice. Happy nice. The fish done? The fish done? You have a whole panga net on your tree. Fish done, Pops?
No, my tree, that tree at all.
The fish not done?
Yeah, man, ready, man. That's a grand food.
Yeah, man. Look, yeah, man, who know how they? You're gonna make the ad? You're gonna make it?
Not me.
But you look, make the people them see you. Yeah, star.
Oh.
You look nice. Your hair grow. Your
Yes.
curly too.
Girl.
What? Wait. Boy, need see what go on with you. So the Jamaica Good Life food. You know what I'm saying? Jay, you have some food up there for me too. A rice and cook. Where you the panic and eat food?
Go to panic car, them all the car, you would do every car. You know what I'm saying?
Come take a pretty picture, you send it out. Come. You're so pretty. How is school? Your shoes good? Your shoes all good for you? What? You remember we get your 2 shoes, 2 black sneakers? They mash up already? One of them can't fit you. You give to somebody else? What you do with it? Give to another girl. Me say the food good, man. I like it. Your cooking is nice and balanced. You see your rice good. Emigrate people for the cooking and the carrot are for your farm.
No.
You buy carrot?
Yes, and you have.